e clean oh inside. E enter inside. Thank you for this my pork potatoes. I want put am for oven. Pork potatoes oven mix, everything is mixed. So wetin remain na ginger and black pepper wey dey hot. So I no wan use my this matchable. The ginger go give me water for this. This thing go give me pepper. Wow. My people, we don't grind this thing now. Don't grind when we don't get, so that I go mix am inside the pork mix. That's ribs of pork. Now I say, hey, I go buy am yesterday. I say no, you don't stay what chop fresh pork. Only for sauce. Or pepper soup trotters. But this one, you dey see am. So I go just carry am. I mix am. Ginger. I don't put garlic. I have dry garlic. I don't put it. I don't have dry ginger, so I have to put the fresh ginger. Okay, guys. People inside the chicken. Made it in down. Make it enter body pass. Make it enter body pass. You dey see am. Everything. Make it enter body pass. Black pepper. Better one. I dey sell black pepper. Una promote me. Una promote me. Promote me, my people. So we go dey put am for oven. We go oven now. So we don't mix am. Everything mixable. Now pork rib. We mix am. Everything black pepper enter body. And that baby. It took big time. Mix it well. I've already mixed, but I'm just doing again to remix so that make it enter body. So that the meat we will just take and like we boil it. Just the cut am with knife, the chop. The one way remove finish and tomorrow. This one for Igbo, if not for Africa. This one no go fool anybody now. That's my wonder oven and make me happy. Go into the oven and make me happy. Go into the oven and make me happy. And everything na inside. Every wahala na inside. Any dirty thing na inside.